when we understand that we're not our thoughts, that it doesn't just mean that we're trying to get, past them all the time or trying to move into that space of nothingness. When we realize we're not our thoughts, we can begin to choose our thoughts. And we can begin to choose the good ones. The thoughts that serve us well, the thoughts that light us up, the thoughts that motivate us, the thoughts that inspire us. And that's the power that when we realize we're not our thoughts, we can begin to play with them in a really cool way. We begin to realize that actually, in this moment, what thought is going to serve me best? How empowering is that? So the first step is becoming aware of our thoughts. The second step is being able to say, well, if I'm not my thoughts, that means I've got the opportunity and the power to choose what thought I travel with. I have the power to choose the thought that I'm going to ride in this moment. And I use that analogy of the surfboard, If we are able to choose what waves we ride, then imagine the waves just like our thoughts. The waves come and go. The ocean of consciousness is always present, but the waves come and go. And when we realize that the waves are our thoughts and we can choose whatever wave we like to ride, then life becomes fun. Life becomes the game. Now it's Friday. And how many of you guys have thought today, thank God it's Friday? Give me a hands up, give me a thumbs up, give me a love heart. Has anyone had that feeling where they feel a sense of relief or a sense of excitement for the weekend, or even just a sense of looking forward to a break over the weekend, if that's even possible? And what's amazing is, I remember for years, Friday would be like my happiest day. I'd wake up on a Friday because I was living for the weekend, right? And I'd wake up on a Friday, and the truth is, nothing had changed. Like, if you think about it, we just label these days of the week, right? Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They're just labels. Nothing actually changes except from our thought. And of course, not having work on a weekend for some. But what really has changed is our thought. Our thought has changed to one of possibility. Our thought has changed of one that is positive in its nature. Now, how incredible is that our thought then impacts how we feel, and the way that we feel then impacts how we behave and the way that we show up? That is the amazing thing, guys, that we in any moment can renew our thinking. We in any moment, when we remember that we're not our thoughts, have the opportunity to choose the thoughts that serve us well.